video I am discuss about the components of the blood. So the sample of the blood in a test tube which are the centrifuge. So this whole blood is a component. There are the composed of mainly two things. First is called blood plasma and another is called as the formed element. Okay, so in this formed element, so 45% of formed element present in the whole blood, where the cells and cell fragments are present. Cells means red blood cells, WBC cells and platelets are present, which are the more dense than this blood plasma. That's why they are sink at the bottom of this test tube. Next is the blood plasma, where the 55% present in the whole blood, which is the watery liquid extracellular matrix that contain dissolved substances, and these are present at the top of the layer of the test tube. Why? Because they are less dense than this formed element. Okay, and in between them, so WBC cells and platelets, which are the colorless, and they are the less dense than this form element but more dense than this blood plasma. That's why they are present in between them and they form a buffy coat. So buffy coat, this is the buffy coat, and in this buffy coat, so WBC cells and platelets are present, and this is the red blood cells are present, and this is the blood plasma. Okay, so this is about the components of the blood. Okay, next is the whole blood is present, and in this whole blood 8% is present, and where the blood plasma is present, and another is formed element. Blood plasma straw color liquid, where the 55% is present, and form element where the cells and cell fragments are present, which is the 45% is present. So one by one detail discuss about that. First we discuss about this blood plasma. Okay, so blood plasma, in this blood plasma water is present 91.5%, plasma protein present 7%, and other solute present 1.5%. okay, so in these plasma proteins, so those proteins which are present only in blood called as the plasma protein. Yes, those proteins which are present only in blood, which is called as the plasma proteins, called as the albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Albumin 54% is present, globulin 38%, and fibrinogen 7%. And these plasma proteins which are synthesized by the hepatocytic cells means liver. Okay, liver synthesize these plasma proteins. Okay, another is the other solutes, and 1.5% is present, and in these other solutes electrolytes are present: sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride, HPO4. Nutrients are present: amino acid, glucose, fatty acid, glycerol. Gases are present: oxygen, carbon dioxide. Regulatory substances are present: enzymes, hormones, vitamins, and waste products are present: urea, uric acid, creatine, and bilirubin, ammonia. So this is about the blood plasma. Next we talked about the formed element, so where the cells and cell fragments are present, called as the formed element. So in this formed element, red blood cells present mean erythrocyte, WBC cell present means leukocytes, platelets are present. In WBC cells, monocytes are present, neutrophils present, basophil, eosinophil, lymphocytes are present. And in these lymphocytes, these are the natural killer cells. B lymphocytes means B cell, and T lymphocytes means T cell. Okay, so this is about this whole blood. In the upcoming video we will detail discuss about the what are the functions and role of the blood plasma and the form element. So that is for today. Thank you so much.